Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by organizing the content you want in the digital album. Place images and videos into a single folder or logical subfolders so links stay tidy. Once done, pick persistent hosting, a cloud service or your web server. Make sure files have public share links. You also need to choose whether the QR directs to one landing page or a folder listing. Do this now so all subsequent steps use consistent file names and predictable paths. Next, construct the landing experience that the QR will open. You can create a basic HTML gallery with thumbnails and captions, or use a gallery builder that outputs a single URL. Make sure images are compressed for mobile and that the page is responsive. If you prefer a single short URL, set up a redirect or custom domain to point at the gallery. This makes later edits easy. Once your page works, test links from different devices and browse. Now generate the QR code for the landing URL and choose file format, PNG for easy printing or SVG for crisp scaling. Set error correction to medium-high if you add a logo. Once generated, test scanning on several phones and QR apps, confirm redirection and media access. For printing, export at 300 dpi and place on a contrasting background. If scans fail, clear cache and test the URL directly. Often a redirect or expired share link is the culprit.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.